Hi, I'm going to do a quick tutorial of a workaround to be able to get a silhouette of a photo to match maybe a graphic. In this situation, we have a soccer player that is kicking a ball, and I want to add another graphic over here, but the graphic that I found is actually a picture. And the picture is not going to look that great if I'm having that be with other graphics, and I want it to look the same. So I'm going to make this woman be the exact same style and color of this silhouette of that soccer player as well. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background. Now we're going to be using different programs on this because that's how it often works with any kind of design. You have to borrow from different things that can do different things, or maybe you know how to do something in a different spot. So I've removed the background of this woman. I'm going to put her on her own page just for now. I'm going to make it nice and big. It's easier to work with bigger ones. I'm going to save that single page, download. I can't see because of my controls. There we go. I'm going to do transparent background. That's important. And I'm going to do just the current page. I'm going to download that guy. It'll take a moment. In the meantime, I'm going to go to pixlr.com/editor. This is a failed take from a couple minutes ago. So now that I have that, okay, so now I have that picture. No background. There's her. It looks like we got some stuff that's left over here. Let's see if we can maybe get rid of that. That might be fine. That might be fine. Okay. So now that I have that going, in the previous take, we got a bell in there too, but whatever. So now I have this woman selected here. I'm going to make a new layer. So I'm going to go to layer, new layer. And what I'm doing is that I'm essentially putting a transparency, like a clear plastic layer over that. And I'm going to trace out this one in a way. So I'm going to click on background and I'm going to do select pixels. So now I have all the pixels selected of just this character. But I'm going to go to layer 2. And I'm going to use that same color blue that I used in this one here. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to click on the color, and then I'm going to go over here with the eyedropper tool, if I can find it. All right, so that's not going to work. So let's just do this. We're looking at 3CDOFF. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste it right over here. Maximize this again. Control V. I'm on the second layer, but I have the selected pixels from the background. So it's essentially, I have an outline of it. Now, boom, I'm going to do the color and it'll do the whole thing because I'm currently on the second layer. That's what the teal means. I'm going to click on this and now we have our outline of just that person. And Pixlr has a limitation of 3 saves that you can do. But if I just unselect everything, deselect, I can just do a snip of this now and then do the save or remove the background in Canva. Let's go back to this maximum. Now, if I paste, if I remove background, now I have that same silhouette. That looks interesting. You can't tell what way she's looking, but anyway, yeah, that's how you do it. All right. Thanks.